Antonia Fowles and I'm the Community Manager here at BLOK Bristol, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this amazing building. Welcome to the lounge. This is the bookable space for all occupiers. This area can be booked out, but also is a free-for-all hot desking area. We have two meeting rooms, Clifton here and Redland. Clifton's slightly bigger, also bookable through Locale. And then we have this amazing space called the amphitheatre, or actually it's called the bleachers, but it's more of an amphitheatre. And people will do presentations here or film showings, which I also announce through Locale. So if you go through the doors out of the lounge, we have our own cafe in the building. They offer really lovely local produce, freshly made sandwiches every day. We also have a kiosk, which we might try and link up through Locale, where people can order coffee through that instead of having to queue in here, and then they just come and pick them up, so it feels a bit more special for the tenants. Another great function of Locale is the access control for visitors. Office managers book in their visitors, and half an hour before they arrive they receive a QR code, which they then hold up to the door, which opens the door and opens the main door. They use the same QR code to tap onto the next door, which opens that, and then we go through into the lift lobby where they choose the floor they're going to. So behind me is bike storage, and to my left is the gym. The gym is open to all occupiers throughout the day, same as the building. To access the gym, we use Locale, where tenants sign a waiver. The waiver will then be sent through to my email, and I give occupiers some access. To access, exactly the same, is they hold it up to the door, and the door will open, and they're free to use anything inside. So this is the communal roof terrace. It's on the 5th floor. Everyone can access it. Also through Locale you can book the roof terrace as an event space. So we have some drinks parties that happen up here, and they use the kitchen for catering. So I use Locale every single day. I've done this role in other companies. So I've never had an app quite like Locale, and I think it does make people want to stay. I also think it makes people want to come. Like the footfall of new companies coming in, there are more of them that come in day to day than there are of the old tenants.